So this is kind of a, tips and tricks and a reminder video really quick. Remember, this is an art class, and you guys are going to have to place your words over and over and over again. So you should have your project set up, and I'm using a different project here to show you because I've already placed a bunch of words at this one, and I've turned off all the eyeballs so you can just see the picture. And again, there's the black layer that you should have in the picture that you should have and your white paper that you should have there. So sometimes you guys go to start placing the lettering. And when you guys go to place the lettering, I'm going to make a new layer here really quick so I don't screw up any of my other layers. We want to make sure that a couple things, that you don't write the words like straight across like this. Like that does us no good when you're writing the words straight across like so. You guys are going to have to be artists in this situation and figure out where to place the words so it actually looks like the words are making up the pieces of whatever you're doing. In this case, I have a human being. So I'm going to place a word in his arm in this area because to me that is a shape. I'm going to place a word in this area because again, I see a shape. I'm going to place a word, and again, they could be word or words or even individual letters. But I'm going to place one in there, and then again, one probably for each finger. I would then, let's kind of just look through here for a second, guys. I see a shape living in here. I see a shape living in here. And for his back here, you don't want to make that all one shape. I would actually put a number 4 over his 4. And then I would divide his back into like that shape, and then his back into that shape, and then there's a little shape in there. You could write a couple words that go across his belt. You could write one big word to go across his leg here. You can write another couple big words to go across here. And look, guys, you don't want to, again, you don't want to write that way, all right? No, you want to write one big word that goes this direction across his leg. You want to write one big word that goes that direction because his leg actually goes in that direction. So this is where you all have to learn to be artists as you are coming around here. There is no limit to the amount of words you could place on here. So as I am writing this, and you will see here in 1 second, as you guys are writing this, you will just keep going over and over and over again. Again, like his face. His face can be made up of a few simple things like a word for his hair, maybe one word for his ear, then maybe you could put in one shape over here and then another shape over here. We want it to look as real as possible without overdoing the letters. As you can see, I'm going to turn this layer off really quickly, and I'm going to turn these layers back on. And you guys can see as I turn the layers on how much these words completely fill up the space that is being used.